Puppet! Puppet! In here? No. And we're could-eyed and you know. Oh, hi, Cupcake. Oh, I wanted to. Okay. Damn, look at this. I don't care. Puppet! 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 I'm gonna just take this just in case. You never know when you gotta commit some murders, you know. Oh, there we go. Okay, we're gonna have that there. Anyways, Puppet! Puppet. Puppet! Wait. Oh, I think I saw him. Puppet! Wait, oh. It's not Puppet. Imposter. Alright, anyways. Don't freak. Ignore that. Anyways. But I'm gonna kill myself if you don't show up. Right now. Maybe he's in his box. Actually, before I, shoot myself, Puppet! Puppet! Look, there's a cat in there. Hi there, Mr. Kitty Cat, or Mrs. I don't know. Hi. I can't get into Hi, Mr. Kitty Cat. Anyways, Anyways, Puppet! Okay. I understand that you maybe don't want to be around me all the time, but it gets kind of boring when you're the only two people here. Man, we gotta, entertain each other, maybe he's in the bathroom, actually. Maybe he's taking a dump. Puppet. Maybe he's a woman, actually. No, okay, no, not in here. I'm kind of lost here. Where could he? Oh, I don't think I checked the arcade yet. Okay, we got this. Man, I'm gonna pick up these coins. Because I don't think they should be sitting here. I'm not gonna put them in here. Wait, I don't think I did anything. It's gotta. Alright, alright, what about these? Maybe I'll try to shove it in this hole. Nope, okay, this fell in my hands. You know where I can find Puppet, Mr. Man? Or woman? You have eyelashes, so I don't know. Wait, do I have eyelashes? I don't think I have eyelashes. Well, yeah. Do you know where Puppet is? Okay, you're not talking. I mean, the people are so rude here. I don't know. The picture isn't even that big either. So, where could he be? What about here? Oh, the freezer! The freezer! Ow! Ow, why the oven's hot? Whatever. Bug! Ew, bug part. Okay, can get in there. Maybe he's in one of the chests. I can't open that one. Can't get to the. I bet he's in there, man. Whatever. What about this one? Nope. What about here? What could it be? I don't realize. Why do we have a toaster? Who wants toast at a pizza place? You know what? I'm gonna dodge, actually. I can do whatever I want. Oh, wow, that's a lot of food in here. Can you... Shut. There you go. He's on there. What? You know what? I didn't realize that room existed. Anyways, look at also boarded up. Why so many rooms in this place boarded up? This place isn't oh my god. It ain't even that abandoned either. Now we got this stage. I don't even know why it exists, actually. Okay, we don't. Yeah. Well, guess I'll kill myself.